here's our center guide. Just get that from here, okay? So we're gonna go here. One. Here. Let me go behind you so you can see me. Okay, I'm gonna just come this way so you can see what's going on, guys. Next. Watch how it works, okay? That you can see the dropout as just like you're using shears, okay? The old guide falls out. You can see it through this, and this guard is long enough so that when you get, you can see it, but you're not going to cut that much off of it. And now, watch this. Let me do a little demo here. Watch this. Now, I just did that. Now, yeah. See? The guide is straight. Okay? See? It's perfect. See? It's perfect. Now, what I like to do is I'll do the guide that way with this versus this, you understand? Because if you don't need to keep beating these knuckles up, okay? This is more perfect than this, okay? Make it straight first, then come back and point cut to create the movement and the flow of the haircut that you want, okay?